and we'll conclude this session. So these are the things that we've planned. Any questions? Guys?
You can just say what's going in your mind. We can just talk.
You know, if you're going to play the game, so you will have to unmute yourself.
Yes. Are we audible to you all?
Yeah, Tanisha, I think to me it's very clear, loud and clear. Not sure about others.
Maybe they'll just do it.
Okay.
So can we start with the game?
Ankur, Anushka, Apurv, Tanmay, you can unmute yourself. So are we good to go?
It's a debate, you have to talk.
Yeah. Shall we?
Because you plan to type and debate.
Maybe if you guys can give like introduction and one line about what is blogger community and yeah, and something you can start with, then we all can participate.
So you guys, we did send a few introductory messages about Blogger, and I've also received a couple of questions from people about what Blogger is and what exactly did we start with. So Blogger was something that we came together for a workshop, and we were thinking about our startup ideas. So one of our team members is like that, okay, I like to run, and I also like to care for my environment. So we just sort of clubbed both ideas, and then another of our mentors said, okay, why don't you guys start something called blogging? And like you guys know, blogging is something that originated in Sweden, and where people run and they pick up garbage while doing that. So
it has actually many benefits. Not only you just clean your environment, you actually get to stay fit. It burns more calories than just jogging, trust me.
Yeah, we face that. You just have to squat and do all sort of things, and plus because it's us, we try to make people do some other exercises also. So by the end of it, they're just sweating, and so we also tried. We also tried to make a platform where other people can enlist their own sessions. So it's like we can't go all over the country and conduct these sessions, right? But then if there are other people who want to conduct these sessions, then of course they can enlist this on our platform, and we'll help them get more participants. So this was our basic goal that we started out with. But yeah, so we did conduct few sessions, and now because we can't do anything with that, we are all stuck at home. So we decided to come up with these debate sessions. Today's the first one. You guys know the topic. And would you like to say anything about Blogger? Do you have any questions? We're ready to take them.
Do you find it exciting, blogging?
You know what? We'll just start with the game. Okay. So the game is like this. I'll say one line of a story. Okay. And then we could go in a particular manner, and you guys can just add one line to that story. And in the end, hopefully, we should have a good or maybe a messed up story. So I'm giving the first line. Maybe Tanisha can continue after this. And can we go like this? Anushka and Tanmay, Deepika ma'am, Ankur and Apurv. Is that fine?
Yes, fine.
Yeah, cool.
Thank God. Okay, so the first line of the story. There was a boy called Orange who was eating a mango.
He's not liking that. He's not liking that mango because his name is Orange.
Okay.
Anushka? I guess
Next.
yeah.
Next person can speak.
Who is the next person? Is it me?
I guess it was Tanmay and he left. So
Yeah.
ma'am.
So apparently it's me. Okay. So what was your line? I'm sorry. He
It
didn't
was
like
he didn't
mango
like
because
his name was Orange.
okay. Then he met with other oranges and he realized that other oranges look like mangoes.
Oh, God.
Okay. Ankur?
Uh, Orange thinks like mango is like brother for another mother, same mother, another mother.
Hello, brother.
Brother from another mother.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay. Apur?
The orange realizes that the mango he was eating in start was poisonous.
Poisonous. Okay. Okay. Tanmay?
Hello.
Hello.
We can hear
I
you.
lagged out. I don't know what we are doing.
Actually, we
Yeah,
are just continuing the story until
Sorry.
now.
Purv, can you repeat your line so that Tanmay can follow up?
Okay, so I have to add something, yeah?
Yeah, you
Yeah.
have to add something.
Okay.
Should we start again? Did you miss the whole story?
Yeah, I missed the whole thing.
Yeah, we can start it over, I think. You
Yeah.
can
Okay.
start with some
Fine.
other story maybe now.
Other story. I have to make another line.
Okay. Let me start.
Can we
So,
copy that line, the one which you send a video on?
Yeah, sure, whatever. I mean, you need not to say this over here. So people should not
Yeah,
know you're copying
I can't
something.
think of anything. Okay. Yeah. It was like this. So once upon a time, there was a parrot called Crow. Tanisha?
once upon a time, there was a
And there was a
parrot named
called
Crow.
Crow.
Called Crow. Okay. So, it's actually ironical. He didn't like other crows because they were black in color.
Okay.
Hmm.
Good enough.
Now it's Tanmay.
Um, the other parrots used to tease him because he was named after another bird.
Interesting.
Ankur?
Um, So he decided to go to the crows and find out why everyone is so unhappy with them.
Okay.
Oh,
Apur?
nice.
Apur?
He find out that everyone was unhappy with crows was because they eat other small animals.
Okay, nice one.
Anushka?
I guess she is not able to hear because she just messaged me, so we'll cut her out.
Fine.
Okay,
Are we cool?
great. Wonderful.
So, let's start. Anybody would like to present anything, any opening argument? Anything? Anything that you guys want to say something about the topic before we start debating?
Oh, so just to remind, the topic was Earth without humans. Am I right?
The world be a
Yes.
better place without humans.
The world's be a better place.
Okay,
without
how
humans.
many of you are in favor of this motion?
How many of you are favorite of the topic?
Not me.
Not me. And Ankur, Apur?
Mm, I'm in the favor of topic. Like Earth is a very much better place without humans.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, Earth is a better place without humans. I'm on that side.
Okay. Cool. So
Right.
why
Yeah,
are
this is
So I am
good.
alone.
Of
I'm
debate,
alone.
I'll take another side. That the Earth is better with humans, so I'll take
Thank
that
you.
side. And
Yeah, so we have
Yes.
2 against and 2 favor. Cool.
yeah.
Yeah, so why do you all think so that either is Earth is better place
You
without
guys
humans or
can
not?
start with any reason that comes to your mind, okay? It's not like you have to give a proper speech. Any one reason, any crazy reason that you think that no, the
Yes.
earth is one damn place without you.
Okay, we have another participant here, and he's Pushpan Jain. He's just connecting to audio right now. Okay, hi. Are we
Hi.
audible to you?
Maybe you need to remove the headphones.
He's just connecting to audio.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, in the meantime, and all those who are against the topic, you guys can give any one crazy reason why you against the topic.
See,
So who
what I
all
feel
are
is
against the topic?
I'm against it.
Oh, cool.
So what I think is that if there were no humans on Earth, then how can like we see a Earth with no humans if we were not there? So how can we perceive something which can never happen and tell that it would be better? So it cannot be
Yeah.
realified or something. Is that a word, realified? So it can't be like it can't be ever happen. And how can we say that it's will be better than what it is now?
Yeah, I would agree with Tanmay that how would we, what would we compare it with, right? So we are the ones, of course, who are destroying it and eventually might destroy it completely.
Yeah, Tanisha and I, we had a
I wouldn't
discussion.
say that we are destroying it.
In a way, we are, but yeah, we are the ones who
Like
are taking care at the same time.
no,
Okay.
but like everything, when we are born, we have to die. Like that's a fact that we cannot argue. So when Earth was born, Earth was born, it had to die, and so now like we are just a cancer. Like there's cancer inside a human. We are
But
a
we can
cancer on
always,
Earth, which are making it die.
Hmm.
yeah, but we can
It was
always,
pre-written that the Earth will die. We are just a cause.
yeah, we are the cause, right? But we can always increase the time with our efforts for which the earth survives, right? By doing what we are doing right now, we are only, just making the time less for us, and we are, yeah, okay. We're
No,
only,
that's not so. Like there are various people who are increasing the time on the life of Earth.
I want to say something.
Yeah, sure.
yeah, sure.
Uh, so, like humans have evolved or came to this earth, like the modern human, which we say Homo sapiens, they are just evolved 10,000 years ago or like 20,000 years ago. Before that, we are just uh, earlier form of humans like Homo erectus or something. They don't have to do with anything like modernization. So up to that point, we are very fine. Like अभी इसके पहले कौन बोल रहा था he was saying that
I
human
was
can
saying.
humans are like cancer that eventually eat the whole earth. So think think about it. Like if humans doesn't exist, like never, only some plants and animals, then what would be the natural age of our earth and how it will come to an end? The most genuine reason is the earth, in that case the earth will only end when the sun evolves to a red giant and indulge it. Otherwise the earth is not going to destroy. Can you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So without
Anybody would
humans,
like,
earth can survive many million times greater, many million years.
Okay, so
With
you're saying that if we were not here, the Earth's life would have been more than it
much
is right
longer.
now. Yeah. Yeah,
So
much longer.
basically, you are saying that humans should have never been evolved, right?
He's going back in time and he's saying, forget everything that happened. Humans aren't even there in picture.
Actually, evolving humans are greater for us, but not for this planet. भी हम लोग अंत में करेंगे क्या? इस planet को तबाह कर देंगे, फिर कहीं और चले जाएंगे. Like
Yeah,
Elon
actually,
Musk
you're
is-
right. Yeah, you're right. We are
Anybody
actually,
would like to counter that?
yeah. What about Apurva and Pushpam?
Are you guys for or against the topic?
Yeah.
Pushpa.
Yeah, you are unmuted. Please unmute yourself.
You have to unmute yourself.
Yeah.
I'm saying you guys are so knowledgeable. I just can't keep my ears off you guys.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Please keep on speaking. If I find something to counter something, like I'll just ping you guys.
Okay, sure. What about Apurva?
Anybody?
So I feel that Earth is going to be better without humans because humans have been like mistreating other species on the planet. Like they perform experiments on animals like rabbits.
Okay, from what you have said,
So,
I can guess that you are a vegan.
Yes.
Yeah, so I guessed it right.
Wow.
Yeah, that's true. The cycle would.
And like
Yeah, you will
and
you
like we are
finish
also
something?
like killing animals like just for their skin or purposes like that, and like we keep like trapped in a small place for their whole life. So that's not what's supposed to happen with something that's alive.
So I
To
have two
argue the
questions.
killing part,
I, yeah, Tanmay, you want to continue?
yeah.
You can.
So to argue the killing part, I can say that other animals also kill other animals. It's just the same.
Yeah, but that is for the maintenance of the population so that they do not overgrow. That is the food chain which we are
That's
talking about.
maintaining the food chain. That's maintaining the balance.
Yeah, but like we humans also are also contributing. We are also important part of the balance, right? Like if we don't
But do
kill the
you
animals,
think-
then also their
but-
population can increase. The same
But
thing.
do you think that that specifically killing the fishes to eat?
See, killing for something, killing something for eating, and killing that same thing for torture by torturing are two completely different things. Okay?
See, the other
You're torturing an
animals.
animal to obtain something that is not
Okay,
necessary.
wait.
I would
You don't
think
need that
I
to
would
survive.
Okay.
I would think, guys, that Tanmay has a point. If you think, a little more deeply, what he's trying to say is that other animals are also killing. I mean, animals are also killing each other.
Yeah, but
So
see-
in a way, same thing is happening. Okay, but what you are trying to say, I guess, is that whatever animals are doing, still in limitation. We are breaking the balance. Humans are breaking the balance. Am I right when I say this point?
yeah, actually, you are right because we have exceeded the limit, and so we are.
But I
also-
have two questions over here.
Yes.
When we are saying that the earth, we can save the earth, what does it mean exactly? What does it mean when we say that we can save the planet or we can save the
Yeah.
earth without humans or without?
Apurva, you want to
What
say
does it-
something?
Okay, first of all, as Sanmay is comparing us to animals. So we are evolved from animals. We are not.
I'm not saying
And second of all, animals don't have.
Okay, we are
agriculture, so they
animals.
can't-
Okay, technically we are animals.
Yeah,
Yeah, but we
like,
can't
biologically
compare our
we are
actions to
animals.
other animals.
Only
We
we
can't be comparing we cannot be justifying something by saying that other animals do it.
Okay, so I have this
Because
one point.
other animals also.
Yeah,
Yeah, you were saying?
I have this one point that when I was talking to someone about the same topic, I came to know that other organisms, other animals, eat other animals just because for their survival. But we have actually crossed the limit, and we have utilized that animal for something else. So survival and living both are different things. We are living and they are surviving.
It's like there's a difference between need and want. Need should be satisfied, but not your wants. Wants is where we cross those limits.
Interesting.
Get me?
Yeah.
Yeah. I
But
think we are stuck around that point regarding animals. So if someone can answer that question, what does it mean by saving the planet? Because even if even if humans are not there, or their planet still would be there, like other planets in other galaxies even. So the planets are still there, right? So what does it mean when you say save planet?
Ankur, would you like to answer that?
Yes, of course. Uh, Here is the thing. Like all other planets, you are saying that planets in another galaxy, and in our solar system, Venus and Mars are also planets. But technically, we they are considered as dead planets. Like Venus has no geological activities. You would fry within minutes if you go there. So technically, saving our planet means maintaining its natural condition. Scientists thought that Mars was once a habitable planet and the rivers flowed there. But what happened to that? The whole water evaporates and the planet becomes dead. But in our case, we are full of biodiversity and there are lots of geological features here on Earth. So if we don't care, we will eventually lose all of that features, and that's just because of us humans.
So
And
do
that's
you
the point.
think that if we do not consume
I
these
like to
things,
argue that.
we would be
Yeah,
able to save the planet if we do not consume whatever biodiversity we are creating on this planet? If we do not consume, the cycle would stop, I guess, right? Because even the humans are a part of that cycle you guys were talking about, that chain.
I, as I
So
have
if
said,
we are out of that, how would we survive?
uh,
Okay, wait, let
as
someone who wanted to counter that speak, and then
Yeah,
we'll
like
continue.
I was saying the same thing. Every planet will have its end eventually. So like he talked about Mars. So once Mars had water in it, like there was some research which found that it had water and it could also have had living life on it. So I like to say that humans were not there. Let's consider it was humans were not there on Mars. Maybe they were, maybe or not. Like that's let's check it. So on Mars there was life, but it eventually came to an end. The whole planet came to an end, and that's not because of humans. So like everything has to come to an end, and the earth will also come to an end. But like our brains have so developed that we can reason out and think about it. So we are blaming it on ourselves. But if what if we were other animals, like we our brains would have never been evolved and we could never think and process information. Then also the earth could have come to an end. Then how can we say that humans are the reason for the earth to come to an end, for the
Okay.
that you earth could be a better place without humans?
See, it is
Okay.
because not that life will come to an end. It is because more animals and like, more living things can have a better quality of life. It's not just about being alive.
But
It's like
let
about
me
having
let,
a.
let, let me just say one thing. For animals to have a better life, it would take thousands and millions of years, even after humans have disappeared from the earth. So it's not after humans have disappeared from the earth. Maybe there would be some nuclear hazards that just
Wipe us all out.
that may happen. That may happen. Some nuclear hazards may happen, and it would destroy everything that comes in its way. And for animals to live a happy life, it may take millions of years after the extinction of human species.
Okay. So somebody has to say something about it. Anyone?
Can you repeat? I didn't get it.
See, I'm just saying that even after humans disappear now, it may cause some nuclear hazards. And due to these nuclear hazards, it may wipe out the entire population. And for animals to survive happily and just live with ease, it may take millions of years after this hazard. So it may take a lot of time. There are some repercussions after that.
Okay, so yeah, I also I actually watched some of the videos on YouTube, and it just said if we suddenly disappeared from Earth, the Earth will be devastated for a couple of years, couple of centuries, you know. and then it will start to flourish again. Then the flora and fauna would start to develop again, evolve again. But if we want to give the earth a fresh start, I think it would be better without humans.
See, actually, it's a good food for thought, but practically, it's
Yeah, it's
actually
not
not
possible. We
possible,
cannot
right?
eliminate the whole human
You
population.
can't.
Yeah.
Because see, animals also depend upon human beings for their survival, right? Like for domestic animals like dogs, cats roaming on the streets, so they depend on human beings for food. So if human beings just disappear suddenly, and what about those animals? So you are taking care of animals at the cost of domestic animals. How absurd it
Uh,
is.
I want to say something, Pushpam.
Yeah,
Yes.
sure.
Actually, you are talking about dog, cats, and all the domestic animals. Do you know that domestic animals didn't exist 10,000 years ago? They were evolved by us from their
Yeah,
native.
yeah, correct.
That's a
Yeah, I was
point.
thinking the same thing. I was
Yeah,
thinking
that's a
the same
point.
thing.
So it is not a I don't think that it's a proper reason that cats and dogs are going to stray, or they will eventually be dead, because they didn't
No,
exist before humans.
I
but if
think the
human,
problem of
but if
Earth
you,
is not really human beings, but all the human beings. I mean, it's about how our minds are
yeah,
developed, how we are evolved. Because the definition of evolving human being is also very different for people, right? Evolve meaning we are taking, like Suhani said, that not only so we just think about the needs, we fulfill the needs, but we do not think about the want, and I really want this, and that's how
I
we start destroying things.
see.
So
I really
that's
like that
where I
reasoning.
feel that even if humans are on Earth, but if they are able to evolve themselves and think about it, then they can save the planet. But otherwise, yeah.
I'd like to say something before we
Yeah,
continue
before
this.
you, yeah, sure.
Okay. See, the thing is, it's not exactly our fault. It's this brain. See, animals were given with animals have other parts, but what's our greatest part is our brain. Okay, with our brains, we have invented stuff. We all the scientific revolutions, our industrial revolutions in the beginning, which led to the population boom and everything. It's our brain that has led to all of this. So, can in a way we say that our brain is leading to our own destruction, and it's us who are like, to put it in a very blunt manner, it's us
Yeah,
who are ultimately leading to a mass suicide.
Mass suicide,
correct.
yeah. On
Brain is
that
the most
note,
powerful weapon.
on that note, we would like to jump to some conclusion and the solutions that because we're running out of time. We
No,
have
we
only
can
5.
debate for some more time if people want to say. I think we have to extend or maybe make a new
Yeah,
meeting.
we'll have to start another meeting for that. If you all agree, we can just continue debating.
If you guys want to
Yeah,
continue debating.
What about
absolutely.
what about Tanmay and Ankur and Apru?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine.
No
Uh,
problem.
yeah,
Better than
Open
Apu?
debate.
scrolling of news feeds.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So yeah, so where were we? What were we talking about? We were talking
Yeah, I
about
just gave one point. If
We were
anybody
talking
wants to.
about our brain
mass
and how
suicide
it's
and yeah, about the
destroying us.
brain
Mentality.
Yeah.
mentality.
Yeah. Does
So
anybody want to
Yeah,
say
it
anything
is.
on that?
See, our approach towards environment is quite ironical. We call ourselves animal lovers and we enjoy butter chicken.
yeah, that's the point.
But no person who calls himself an animal lover will eat a butter chicken.
No, Punjabis do.
No, Punjabis are different species only. They are different species of human beings. Let's just
Yeah.
divide subcategory. Punjabis different.
Okay.
Are there any
Punjabis
Punjabis in
and
the group?
humans.
Are there any Punjabis in the group?
No, there are no Punjabis, I think so.
I hope so
Then it's
not.
fine.
I'm
Then
so
it's fine.
sorry.
Then it's fine. Let's rant about them.
Okay.
Okay, continue. let's
Yeah.
focus on solutions.
Yeah, let's focus on solutions. Since it's practically not possible for the human race to get extinct just suddenly, we might get extinct over a period of time. We have to come up with some solutions that we can implement right now, like in this current world. Do you have any ideas, any of you?
What we do to improve? See, hope to find our brains our biggest strength, and we've used it to invent some things and do some horrible things. But we can also use this same brain to do something better for our world. What are your solutions?
I think if we can genetically engineer some plants which can grow in short amount of time, like we can make some trees which can reach their maximum height and their full क्या बोलते हैं, which can grow fully in a very short amount of time, like 5 years or 10 years, instead of taking 30 or 20, 40 years.
So that way it will help the carbon levels of the environment.
Yeah.
Yes, we have done this before, like you know about agricultural revolution. We have genetically engineered up, so we can grow.
Hybridization.
Yeah, exactly. I was talking about that, and we can also we have to minimize our carbon footprint. For doing that thing, we can do actually a lot of things. I think the best invention in this world is bicycles.
Yes.
It has a
Wow.
carbon footprint.
Good.
It has zero carbon footprint, and it
Yeah.
will keep you fit.
Okay.
See, there you go. Humans have not always invented bad things. Okay, humans are good for the earth.
Okay. Does anybody have any example if in what ways have humans benefited the environment, not us, the environment?
Environment, not like
So
going to the
making
moon
some
or something like that.
humans have made some effective devices that control pollution, because with growth there are some repercussions, and to counter that, humans have actually developed some good devices that control environmental pollution as well. So it's not that they have recklessly caused pollution; they have devised some measures just to counter that as well. So we cannot blame humans entirely for the destruction that is happening around.
And I recently met a agri-tech startup. They have devices, solutions where organically they can filter the mosquitoes or different things which destroy your crop, and then you have to put the chemicals. But through that machine you can escape your जो भी अपने एग्रीकल्चर फसल उगाया है उनको उन कीड़ों से, and you need not to put the chemicals. So I think the invention in agri-tech is actually quite supportive to environment. Even the tools which humans have invented to maximize the what do you say, the outcome.
Ma'am, the main problem is why in the first place have they invented such? What made them invent such? That is the main problem, I think.
Yeah, why have you responded so late? Like, okay, there's pollution. ठीक है, उसको counter करने के लिए we'll make some pollution filtering devices. If there is global warming, fine, we'll do something else to counter that global warming. But why didn't we respond before that? Why didn't we just react
I mean,
to
we
all
can keep asking that question, but there is no